Okay, it's just like few more things, like five. This
Okay.
is like this picture is catching eyes. It's like the car reviewer mirror that you can see when it's raining. But I'm gonna using these pictures to catch the eyes. What do you think about it?
I think it's very catchy, but I think Facebook might flag or ban you, or they
Ah,
might ban
so
it.
I need to ask first. Is that going to
What you
work or
can
not?
do is you could post it and see if it gets approved. If it doesn't get approved, don't appeal it, delete the ad, and then try a new ad.
Can I say
Okay.
something, Andy, on that note?
Yes.
Yeah, you will get banned straight away. I'm gonna say that you'll get banned, not in just for a female picture before and after picture. If you'll use like a male model with a bare chest or abs shown or something like that, you'll get banned because I mean, I was running a couple of creatives on the basis of that, a video ad also that a guy was showing his body and they banned me. So don't ever use these kind of images. You'll get banned before and after also. Never
O-
use them. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, Sachin. Okay, I won't use this.